Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get the results that you need off the database. So when you've finished your search, you click on the numbers or the results that you want to view. And then if you scroll down, you'll see that the results will start to appear. And obviously once you've maximised the number of items you want to view per page and opened up the abstracts, you can then simply scroll down, and what you can do is the little box at the side, if you tick each one that's relevant, and you can start to build up the set of results that you're going to pull off and send to your users. So I'm just going to scroll down and maybe select another couple. Obviously you go through the whole lot of your search before you scroll down to the bottom, but once you're done and at the bottom of the page, bear in mind that you may have more than one page to scroll through. But at the very bottom, what you find is the results output box here. And you can see here that I have selected 4 results. So it tells me how many I've ticked as I've been going along. Now you can only take 200 off at a time. So if you hit 200, you'll have to download those first before you can carry on. Okay, so we've got 4. I could, if I wanted to, have selected everything on the page. And then you've got your output formats. You've obviously got the defaults to the PDF option. But if you're using reference management software, etc., you can download it in different file formats. So the default is PDF. The display format is the medium, which means you'll get the title and abstract, along with the links to full text still embedded. And the little box here is also ticked, which means that you'll also get a copy of your search strategy as well. And then you've got 4 options here. You can email the results, you can save them, copy them to Clip, or view clipboard. And the copy to clipboard is useful if you're doing multiple searches or across different databases. So every time you do a search and look at the results, you can add the ones that are relevant to the clipboard. And then when you've done all your searches and put all your results into clipboard, and if you view the clipboard, you can see all the results combined together for you. Okay, so you've got options really, email and save. I tend to save the results because then at least if I download the file and if I open the file, I know that the file itself is not corrupt. And also I can then email it myself to the user, and then I can ask for an acknowledgement of receipt, so I know that they've actually received them and it hasn't got lost somewhere. So when you click on the save results, what you see is that the file downloads, and if you open the file, you can see your set of results very nicely, giving a list of the titles that you've actually selected. And on the following page, you'll get your copy of your search strategy. And then you'll get all the abstracts and titles that you've selected, along with the links to full text, which will still be embedded if they were there to start with. Okay. And then you can save the file to your desktop, and then you can add it to your email and send it to your users.